And then the next ayah. This is one of the harshest ayat in the Quran dealing with this subject. قُلْ إِن كَانَ آبَاؤُكُمْ وَأَبْنَاؤُكُمْ وَإِخْوَانُكُمْ وَأَزْوَاجُكُمْ وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ. Tell them, if your ancestors, your parents, your fathers, your elders, your children, your brothers, your spouses, وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ, and your extended families. Ashira from ashara, meaning you have family of tens, dozens of people we say, right? The dozens around you. Ashiratukum, your big family, your extended family. وَأَمْوَالٌ اقْتَرَفْتُمُوهَا, and the monies that you have gathered and grabbed from here and there and there and there, and you've piled them together. وَتِجَارَةٌ, and the businesses. تَخْشَوْنَ كَسَادَهَا, you are so afraid of them going down, you check on their balance, you check on the inventory, you check on the sales. تَخْشَوْنَ كَسَادَهَا, you constantly fear them going down. وَمَسَاكِنْ, and the homes, تَرْضَوْنَهَا, that you are pleased with. You make sure the home looks exactly the way you want it to look. These are the things that take up our minds. Starting with family, and then stuff, right? That's the transition. And Allah says at the end of it, أَحَبَّ إِلَيْكُمْ, all of the stuff is, these 8 things, put them on a scale. And these things are heavier, they're more beloved to you, you love this stuff more. مِنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ. If the ayah ended with مِنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ, it would have been easy. If you love these things more than Allah and His Messenger, no, I love Allah and the Messenger, I love them so much. Allah said, okay, prove it. وَجِهَادٍ فِي سَبِيلِهِ, struggling in His path. You see, the love of Allah and love of the Messenger is intangible. It's intangible. It's inside you. You could be living whatever life and somebody asks you, you love Allah? Of course I love Allah. So much, yo. You know, you love Allah. I love the Messenger? Oh my God, I love him so much, man. I got all these nasheed CDs because I love the Messenger so much. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. You know. But Allah said, put your life, put your money where your mouth is. وَجِهَادٍ فِي سَبِيلِهِ, struggling in Allah's path. Tangential, it's tangible or intangible? It's tangible. It's time, it's effort. It's a financial sacrifice. It's sacrificing your youth, it's sacrificing your talents. Allah said these 3 things, the proof of the first 2, Allah and Rasul, the proof of that is in the third, jihadin fi sabilihi. So if I don't see the effort from you, then you know what you should do? فَتَرَبَّصُوا, then you just sit and wait. Tarabbus is one of the most amazing words in the Arabic language. Instead of Allah saying intaviru means what? Wait. Tarabbasa means to procrastinate. I got time. Tomorrow. Somebody should take their deen seriously. Yeah, next year, inshallah. Next year. Let me just take care of something first. You know? And I know I really need to work on this thing. I have these ideas of how to serve. I have this project I really wanted to do. Okay, why don't you do it? Well, I'm in college right now, so as soon as I graduate. Then you graduate, as soon as I get a job, this thing I have an idea, I think it's really going to serve deen. Why don't you do it? Well, as soon as I get married, inshallah. Then you get married, as soon as the baby comes, we're waiting on the baby to come. After that, inshallah. But the project is amazing, I want to talk to you about it. It's really amazing. If I just had time. What's this called? Tarabbus. Go ahead, keep procrastinating. I was going to do it. It's just that, right now, this is like a tax season and I'm an accountant, so it's kind of busy. And then the next thing it's like a vacation time. I need to take my family on vacation. I'm kind of busy. And there's always going to be stuff. So the first going to be, I'm in college, then, I just about to get married, then, just waiting on the baby, then, just got to put the kids through school, we're kind of tough right now, we got to do some savings, just as soon as we buy the house, just as soon as we pay off the kids' college, just as soon as we get the son married, just as soon as my grandkids come out. It's going to keep moving. Just a little bit more time. And then you find people that partied their entire life are filling the masajid in their 90s, in their 80s, in their 70s. So the first row of the masajid are all white beards. Right? And the young people are saying what? I got time. The Messenger ﷺ warned us of this, right? Take advantage of 5 things before 5 things. Do ightinam, do take advantage. And what is it? One of those primary things? Youth before old age. Take advantage of it. You put use to it. This is where shaitan will come at you the most. Shaitan won't come at you with your old. What are you going to do? You don't have the energy. He's not going to give you waswasa to go to the club. You can't even get out of your chair. He won't. He'll come to you when you're young. He'll come to you and, you have the energy, you have the ability, you have the temptation, you have all the opportunity. That's when he'll get to you. فَتَرَبَّصُوا. Go ahead and wait. Sit back, relax. حَتَّى يَأْتِيَ اللَّهُ بِأَمْرِهِ. Until Allah brings His decision. وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْفَاسِقِينَ. And Allah does not guide the corrupt. This is by definition to Allah what corruption is. Iqbal in his poetry called it Butane Wahmo Guma. But, but in Urdu is idol. All these things, Malo Daulat in Urdu they call it, right? All these things and these relationships, all of these are false idols. The only thing left standing is La ilaha illallah. Butane Wahno Guma, La ilaha illallah is in his poetry, right? So the idea is we get lost in these things and we can't pull ourselves out.